Are you still making chromatic glitch text like Diaz in the Big 25? Well, don't worry, I got you today. I'm going to show how to make chromatic glitch text like 24K John. Make sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials. First, start with typing your text word by word on separate layers and make the layout of the text. For the font, I am using Bebas. You can find it in my Discord server.
This is my dumb not finding the font DS Digital, also available in the Discord server link in the description.
Now, you will need to cut the layers when the character starts talking, just like I do here.
We are going to start with the animation now. Start by cutting your text layers into 1 and 2 frames like I do here. Add turbulent displace and radial blur and play with the settings. Just make sure the text is distorted and not stiff.
Follow my steps very carefully and you'll get there.
After that, I mask out pieces of the text.
Make sure to pre-compose every word, just like I do here. Now I do the same things and add the same effects that we just did for the other layer.
I am going to do some masking. If you want the same effect, follow my steps. If not, you can just apply the same things you did on the other layers. After that, pre-compose all of the text layers and add a null. Link the text to the null and go to the tracker. This is very important. Put the tracker on a highly contrasted area that doesn't move, and then click play and wait for it to track. After it tracked, click Edit Target and put it on the null. Then click Apply and make sure it's set to X and Y. Ha ha! That rhymed. Make the null 3D. Just play with the settings and apply what fits best for you.
Okay guys, Rick Grimes is taking over from here now. Now pre-compose the null with the text.
Add Deep Glow 2 and put the radius to 500 and the exposure to 0.15. Then add Drop Shadow and put the opacity to 100 and the softness to 15 after that. Add BBC Prism. BCC Prism. Tint on Deep Glow is optional. TS. Dumb. Forgot to add the texture, so he's gonna do it now. The texture is also available in the Discord server, in the description. And there you have it. Boy, that was it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you guys in the next one.